Hi, beautiful people. How are you today? My name is Georgia for those of you who are new. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to optimize our YouTube playlist in order to get more views. In the last video having to do with YouTube, I showed you how to go ahead and make a playlist, and it is something that is recommended by Google in order to help your channel grow. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it above for you to see. So let's get started with today's video. The way to optimize your playlist to help you get more views, first you would do is come into your YouTube channel back office. You would click on your icon at the top. It will give you a drop down, and then you will go into your Creator Studio. So we're going to go back there and we are going to optimize our YouTube playlist. Now what you will do when you get here into the Creator Studio, on the left side you will scroll down and you will look for Video Manager. Okay, it's still loading a little bit. Do the drop down for Video Manager. And under Video Manager, you look for Playlists. Now you click on your Playlist tab, and it's going to bring up all your different playlists. As you see, I have a number of playlists because it's good to organize your videos. That way, when you do additional videos, you could either suggest your entire playlist to your audience, or you could suggest a video from that playlist. So we're going to go in and optimize one of the playlists together. I started it here with beauty, but let me see which one we want to do today. All right, since we're talking about YouTube, let's go into the playlist for your YouTube channel and grow. Let's go into the playlist for YouTube, grow your channel. That's the title. You would come over to this playlist, then you would hover over, click on edit, and it's going to bring up the playlist for you to see all of the videos that are within that playlist. If you look right here next to your name and your icon, click on that. You see a little pencil icon, click on that. It's going to bring up everything that's in that playlist. And what you want to do right here where it says add a description, you could go ahead and tell a little bit about what the playlist is for. If you notice, I have other YouTube creators' content within my playlist because it talks about the same thing about having to grow your YouTube channel, and these are some of the creators that I watch, and I've taken tips from them in order to help me to grow my YouTube, to just grow my YouTube channel as a whole. So that's why I added some of their content. And I'm not done. I'm going to go in, and if I find the content that I like, that I feel will be beneficial to my audience, I'm going to go in and add it to my playlist, because that will give them more knowledge, and at the same time it would help the YouTube community as a whole. So as you could see, one of my favorite YouTubers right here is Raven Elise, and she gave some really great tips. I believe she's close to 1 million subscribers right now, and she gave some really good tips of how she went ahead and she grew her YouTube channel, and I've taken tips from her to help my channel grow also. And I have other creators within the playlist, and like I said, I will be adding more. But back to the reason we were here. So we will go back up here where it says add description. You will click on that and just tell basically what the YouTube playlist is about. So let's see, let's do something really simple. So I call my YouTube audience loves. So, I usually always address them. So, hi loves, within this playlist, you will find content to help you grow your YouTube audience and help grow your, oh, I can't spell, and help grow your your channel. I guess YouTube is 2 words. In this playlist, you would also, in this description, you would also incorporate a few keywords. So we have what we call long tail keywords, and then we have just keywords. So some of the keywords that I would put in here is 1, YouTube. Make sure you put a comma, grow your channel. Even though it's already in the description, you would still put it there. And an example of a long tail keyword where people will type a specific question, that's a long tail keyword. So that one that comes to mind right now is how to grow my YouTube channel quickly. Okay, so that's basically an example. Of course, you could go in and you could do a lot more, but that's basically an example of how you will put a description. So this will help Google, because you put items in your description. Sometimes people don't, but if you put a description within your YouTube channel playlist description, I hope that makes sense, then it will help Google know who to suggest this playlist to, which audience to suggest your playlist to, and that will help you in the long run get more views. So that is how you go in and you optimize your YouTube channel playlist. So take some time. If you have your playlist already set up, take some time and go in and do this brief description for each of your playlists. And if you have not set up a YouTube playlist, please go ahead and make sure you set one up. And like I said, I have linked the video of how to go ahead and do it. I've put it in the cards, but I'm also going to put it in the description. So that is it, guys. I really thank you for watching this video, and until next time, take care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye.